Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by ensuring prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Install Power BI Desktop and confirm Excel drivers match your system. This avoids connector errors later. Next, open the workbook and convert ranges to tables so Power BI detects structure. Remove merge cells and give meaningful table names. Save the file to a stable, accessible path and close Excel to prevent file locks. Once done, open Power BI, choose Get Data, and select Excel to pick the prepared workbook and table. Once your table is loaded, use Power Query to clean and shape the data. Remove unneeded columns, split combined fields, set correct data types, and filter out noise. Each step improves performance. Then, load into the data model and create relationships. Set cardinality and cross-filter direction to reflect real-world joins. Make basic DAX measures for sums and ratios rather than calculated columns where possible to save memory. As you progress, refresh small test loads to validate logic and catch. To finalize, publish your report to Power BI service and configure dataset credentials. If your Excel file is on premises, set up or map a gateway. Schedule refresh intervals that match data update cadence and monitor refresh history for failures. If refresh fails, check credentials, gateway status, and file path. Make sure Excel isn't open. One key troubleshooting tip: clear Power BI desktop cache, update OLEDB/ODG drivers, and step through Power Query applied steps to identify the offending transformation. This often reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.